everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a custom wreath for my friend Margie. She's been very kind and brought over some items to me, so I thought I'd show the same kindness and make a floral arrangement for her. I did ask her if she wanted something for the tabletop or if she preferred something for her wall, and she said either one is fine. I did ask her what her colors were or what does she like, and she showed me a picture, and basically it was in little peaches and these type of colors, salmon-y colors. So I went and purchased all these items, and I'm going to use some of this. I don't know if I'm going to use the whole thing, but I'm going to go ahead and decorate this grapevine wreath for her and surprise her with the final product. All right, so if you want to just watch me put this together, just follow along and let's get to crafting. are. The final wreath is done. I think it came out really pretty. Look at that. So I did change the little piece of chenille stem that I had added in the back to hang it. I decided to put it back there. I had it over here. It was like straight across from the bow, but I decided that I wanted the bow kind of off to the side rather than, you know, it being in the center and then having flowers. I tend to like to do things this way. I really like the way that it looks instead of being like perfectly even or symmetrical. I like to do things a little bit off-sided. I think it looks really pretty that way. It looks more natural. But anyway, everyone, I'm really happy and I hope my friend Margie likes this. So I'm going to give myself a big old blurry thumbs up, and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up and leave a kind comment down below. Let me know what you thought of my little project. I thought it would be best not to talk through it since I talk a lot. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will have more videos for you. It's storming out here today, and it's really nice. So I thought, what a perfect time. Let's make a video. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and then choose all for your notifications so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all so very much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Please share them on your social medias, and as always, enjoy.